have a race, you and me, on your electric bike. Let's do stoppy. Let's do stoppy. I actually did a stoppy once on my old bike, my 125. There's the dick grabbing statue. Yeah, but on my 125 it had ABS, and I was just gonna stop, and I squeezed the brake. It was at like low speeds, and of course it felt like I was like this, but in reality I was probably only up by like this much, but it was still fun, and it was kind of scary because I was not ready for it. And then my friend, he did a stoppie on his driving exam, because when you have the driving exam you have to do a brake test in 70 and 90 kilometers an hour, and when he did his brake, he squeezed so hard, and then when he was going slow, he did a stoppie, and he failed that test. And I think it's because of the stoppie. I'm pretty sure doing a stoppie on your driving exam isn't exactly going to help you increase your odds of getting your license. So that's a tip to all of you guys trying to get a motorcycle license: don't do a stoppie, because it can screw you over. Sometimes I think about how fast this bike is. Because he was going the speed limit, this guy up here, and it took me only like 3 to 4 seconds for me to have caught up to him and be doing the same speed. That's kind of insane. And to think that there are bikes that are even faster than this, that scares me a little bit, but it also excites me a lot, because then I know that when I get bored of this bike eventually, because I might, then there are faster things for me out there that I can just hop on. Because I have all the licenses you need right now to drive a motorcycle, so there's not a motorcycle in this world that I'm not allowed to drive, I think. Maybe I am not allowed to drive a like Moto GP bike. I think you have to have a license for that, perhaps. But the road bikes at least, I can drive all of them. Damn, they're making a lot of progress. The last time I was riding here, it happens to be a lot faster. They were not as far with that construction as they were now, so that's kind of cool seeing their progress. That shit? No, it's just dirt. It would have been awful if that was shit. Way back, way back, way back, way back, way back. I need to come up with like a song that I sing whenever I weave, because I weave a lot, and it would be good if I have like a song that I say. There was this one guy, I don't remember his name, but he was on TikTok, and he had a really nice theme for when he weaved, but I can't just take it from him. That's copywriting, and that's not something I can be inspired by people like him, but I'm not gonna just steal his thing, you know. Let's have a race, you and me, on your electric bike, me on my motorcycle. Easy win, man. That was so easy. That was hands down the easiest competition in my life. But look at there's a girl running up here. You go, girl. Keep grinding. hear someone taking a walk. I think she was just out doing some yard work, but still, here's someone taking a walk. A lot of people out here doing different kinds of activities. There are some people just standing. What is everyone doing? Here's a pretty insane thought that a lot of you probably have, but it's kind of crazy to think about that everyone you see have their own life. You know? Wait. It's this way. Yeah. Yeah, back to what I was saying. Everyone you see has their own lives and have their own problems. You have your life, and then someone has their own life, and it's kind of crazy that they all exist. We all exist in this world, one world. I think that's cool. I missed it, man. God damn it! I wanted some leaves from that bush, like a souvenir. Perhaps I will find some other bush somewhere. Here we have a slow guy driving slow, and here we have someone waiting. Now the sun's out, now the sun is blinding me. Man, that's not very neat. Ta-da! I do a lot of weird sounds when I ride. A lot of weird sounds. Too many weird sounds.